The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, stretches across vast expanses of South America, spanning 9 countries. Deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a wondrous world thrives with an array of diverse and untamed wildlife. Its dense canopy and fertile grounds provide a haven for countless species, each uniquely adapted to survive in this remarkable ecosystem. Our adventure begins with the vibrant and diverse bird species that call the Amazon their home. Meet the majestic macaw, with its brilliant plumage and melodic calls that echo through the treetops. These birds are just a glimpse of the incredible avian life found in this rich ecosystem. Moving deeper into the forest, we encounter the elusive and powerful jaguar. This magnificent big cat, known for its beautiful coat and stealthy nature, is the apex predator of the Amazon. It perfectly embodies the raw beauty and strength of this unique habitat. With its powerful physique and piercing gaze, this majestic feline reminds us of the untamed nature of this ancient rainforest. The Amazon is not just about the forest, its rivers are teeming with life as well. Meet the enchanting river dolphins, gracefully gliding through the water with their unique pink coloration. These fascinating creatures are just one example of the incredible aquatic biodiversity found in the Amazon basin. As we venture further, we stumble upon a secluded river, brimming with life. Meet the Amazonian manatee, a gentle giant gracefully swimming through the waters. These marine mammals thrive in the river's tranquil ecosystem, grazing on aquatic plants and captivating our hearts with their charm. Amidst the dense foliage, we discover some of the smallest but most striking inhabitants of the rainforest. Take a look at the poison dart frog, adorned with vibrant colors that serve as a warning to potential predators. Despite their size, these frogs play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the Amazon ecosystem. As we venture higher into the canopy, we enter a world unseen from the forest floor. Here, we find a thriving community of primates swinging through the branches. From the agile spider monkeys to the charismatic capuchins, these intelligent creatures are an integral part of the Amazon's intricate web of life. And let's not forget the iconic symbol of the Amazon, the sloth. With its leisurely lifestyle and gentle demeanor, the sloth reminds us to appreciate the slower pace of life and the importance of conserving this unique habitat. In the shadows of the forest floor, an entirely different world unfolds. Here, hidden among the fallen leaves and damp earth, reside some of the most captivating and enigmatic creatures on the planet. Slithering through the undergrowth, vibrant snakes, such as the emerald tree boa, reveal their striking beauty. Let us cherish and protect the wonders of the Amazon rainforest, ensuring that future generations can witness the beauty and marvel at the incredible variety of life that thrives within its ancient trees.